Hey guys, my name is Damon Black. Welcome back to my channel here on YouTube. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Modern Millionaires, an online course that teaches regular people how to start a successful, profitable agency online and close high ticket sales. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is Damien Black. I've been doing CPA and affiliate marketing since 2018. I run a YouTube channel, multiple social media accounts, and I do this full-time, guys. I promote affiliate products full-time. Now, my YouTube channel is all about affiliate marketing, and I teach complete beginners how to make a full-time income online and quit their 9-to-5 job. So if you want more videos like this one, make sure to subscribe and like this video to support this channel. Now, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So, the Modern Millionaires. This online course training program is all about lead generation and high ticket sales. So guys, why is lead generation the most important factor? Now, it doesn't matter if you're doing e-commerce, if you're local, if you own a restaurant or some kind of a store, an agency, travel agency, service provider, whatever business you're in, they all need consistent flow of new customers. Now, guys, imagine you open a new restaurant, right? You invest thousands of dollars into furniture, all the coffee machines and all that stuff just to get your business off the ground. Now, once you open the doors, first day, you notice that you have no customers. So guys, you need consistent flow of new customers to run your business successfully. Without customers, you're not going to make any sales. So with that said, every single business in the world needs consistent flow of fresh leads to make sales. To make it simple for you guys, no leads equals no sales equals no money. Okay, so generating leads, is it hard? Well, it is kind of. You need to learn how to advertise your service or product, obviously. It doesn't matter, as I mentioned, if you have a restaurant or an online affiliate marketing business or you run an e-commerce store, you need to know how to advertise your service or product. Now, this is the number one problem most businesses struggle with, and I used to as well when I was starting out online. I had the best website in the world. I did e-commerce in the past as well. I did drop shipping. I did Amazon, FBA, and when I was starting out with my YouTube channel, this was the number one problem I was facing, getting customers, getting new fresh leads. Because as an affiliate marketer, my job is to send as much people as possible to the offer I'm promoting. So I'm a marketer, so I need to know how to advertise my product. With that said, in 2021, if you know how to generate leads for your business or other businesses, you will be super valued and in demand by tons of businesses. Because if you know how to advertise your own products or products for somebody else, so imagine you have an agency, an advertising lead generation agency, and imagine how many businesses would come to you and ask you to generate leads for them. So lead generation is a super valued skill to have, okay? The Modern Millionaires, what is this actually? What is this program? What is it all about? So they basically teach regular folks this skill set. So they teach regular people like you and like me, they teach lead generation. So how to acquire customers online or locally, okay? So the owners, Abdul and Chance, Modern Millionaires is created by two guys, Abdul and Chance. They still have agencies of their own, even though they run Modern Millionaires together. There's also hundreds of success stories coming out of their community. So stick with me. I'm going to show you guys inside of their course. I'm going to lead you through the course. I'm going to show you their Facebook group and show you guys all about this course. So first of all, guys, if you want, you can search themodernmillionaires.com. This is their official website, because having a boss sucks. This is Chance, this is Abdul, and basically you can check out their website. You can read more about them. If you're interested, you can read about the details. And they also have free training for all of you guys that are interested, absolutely for free, There's tons of value inside that one single video, so make sure to check it out. Now, this is the membership area. They have 4 modules, and this course is packed with super valuable content. So in module number 1, they're going to show you guys the foundation, how to start the right way, orientation and weekly calls. They're going to give you all the information that's available for you guys, the 1 factor, 1 part, 1, 2. They're also going to show you how to be 10x productive, because productivity is very, very important when you're starting an online business. And actually, I'm going to be using this myself. I just watched this video. It's super valuable. Now, they're also going to show you how the simple business works, niche selection, industry research, all this good stuff. Now, module number 1. In module number 2, they're going to be setting up your agency system. So you can pause this video if you want to read these separate videos. All right. So I'm just going to scroll through it for all you guys that are interested. Again, tons of value, tons of content. In module number 2B, you're going to learn prospecting and sales. So basically how to acquire customers, email marketing, Facebook, and all that good stuff. All right. Mod 2B is prospecting with LinkedIn and Linkedify. Module 3A, driving traffic with Google Ads. Again, super valuable Google Ads. Facebook marketing, again, Facebook ads in module 3B. Module 3C, high level trading. So basically show you how to set up your campaign and funnel, connecting a calendar, scheduling appointments, maintenance, all right. And in module number 4, you're gonna learn how to create an autopilot system that works for you. So basically creating an autopilot agency machine, team communication, and you're also gonna get a done for you store. So this course is packed with content, lots of value, absolutely amazing, guys. So if you're on the fence and you're thinking about joining the Modern Millionaire course, then I would highly recommend you to do so. It's packed with value. You're going to learn a lot of good skills to have even for the near future. And right now I'm going to show you guys a couple of testimonials from the members that took the course, and I'm going to show you guys how they have been doing so far. So this is the free video I was talking about earlier. So if you go to go.themodernmillionaires.com/video, you're going to be redirected to this page. 2 steps to start your ads agency business in 2021. This is a completely free video. Guys, what's going on? All right, and when you scroll down, they've been featured in Entrepreneur Forbes. So this is a legit online course, and you can actually check out these videos about students getting, this girl got 4K per month in 2 weeks after joining the Modern Millionaires. Tyler joined Modern Millionaires 4 months ago and making $7,000 per month. So with just one single client, he closed $7,000, which is one single client per month. $8,500 per month with one client, Nancy and Jed. So there's a bunch of testimonials on this page. So guys, make sure to check it out. Matt, former dropshipper until coronavirus killed his business. He made $15,000 in less than 2 months. Derek lands a $3,500 client in the first 4 weeks. That's awesome. And you can also schedule a one-on-one call with Chance and Abdul for free if you're interested in that. And make sure to go to this page, guys. Again, watch all these testimonials, all these people posting. All right, so high ticket sales, landing their first clients. huge commissions. So again, go to this page if you're interested in checking out these separate testimonials. So this is their private Facebook group, Modern Millionaires. They have over 5,200 members, active members. So their community is very, very supportive and active. So if you have any questions or you need any help, you can always turn to the Facebook group. If you have any questions, look at this, guys. All of these guys, if you're stuck or need help with anything, just make sure to go inside the Facebook group if you need any help. They have weekly calls, coaching calls, workshops. They have an awesome, active community. They go live consistently, live coaching calls, live training calls, tips, tricks, all of that good stuff, guys. So I think this is a no-brainer. So guys, in my personal opinion, the Modern Millionaires is an awesome online training program which will take you by the hand, show you how to generate leads and close high-ticket sales, land clients that will pay you over $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 every single month on autopilot. So guys, again, tons of value inside the membership area. This will show you everything from A to Z about lead generation and high ticket sales. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to click the first link below this video to get access to the Modern Millionaires. Watch the free training video, look at the testimonials, and thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.